Hey lovelies, the holidays are almost here. Are you still shopping for last minute holiday gifts? I have some great gift ideas for you today. I'm so excited to share with you for men, for women, for your bestie, for your mom, your grandparents, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, anyone like that. I've got great gift ideas you can pick up last minute and some great deals for you as well. I also have a giveaway, so stay tuned to the end of this video where you can win some of these amazing products in my gift guide. Nebulyft is the perfect anti-aging gift for mom, your bestie, wife, or girlfriend. My all-time favorite anti-aging device I've been using the last 6 months, my Nebulyft, is amazing for tightening and lifting my skin, like firming, especially around the neck area and kind of down here by the jaw. So I've seen some really great, awesome results there. The very first thing that I noticed right away after the first use was the glowing skin that it gave me. It really does make skin glow. It feels amazing. Speaking of how it feels, it is super massaging and soothing. It heats up a little bit. I love it as part of my nighttime routine just to help me relax and get ready for bed because it is really very soothing and I find it very relaxing and just feels amazing on the skin. So you get really good rejuvenation with the Nebulyft. And it also works really well with fine lines and wrinkles. So I've been noticing that they look a little less prominent than they were before, even though I'm still aging, unfortunately, getting older every day. It definitely seems to help me out a lot there. I've been really happy with how it looks specifically around the eyes, because that is where I tend to show my age. And then also really great for evening skin tone out. I tend to get sunspots, especially this time of year. I feel like this does a really good job of evening my skin tone as well. It does a really amazing job of lifting facial contours as well. It helps with acne too, which is also an amazing perk. It also helps with pore size reduction too. Like I tend to get like bigger pores around my nose, or at least it looks enlarged. And I feel like it's really done a good job of just making them look smaller and not as noticeable. So I've had tremendous results there. So I really love it, you guys. Most people notice an instant effect with the first use. I did with the glowing skin, and it just makes my skin feel amazing. I find it super soothing, and I'm loving the anti-aging results that I'm getting using this. I've used so many products over the years, and I am a firm believer in Nebulyft. I love my Nebulyft N1 Micro RF anti-aging device, and it is amazing. I love it, you guys. I've had great results. It has a one-touch button LED for more intelligent control, an RF panel, micro RF dots, LED light bar for monetizing treatment duration, as you can see here, and it also has vibration and sound alerts for easy mode switching, powering between on and off. You can also use the handy Nebulyft mobile app enabled for better treatment and product support with precision to the surface of the skin. So it's going to stimulate natural collagen production as well as tightened and firmer skin. I hope you guys will go check out Nebulyft. Again, it's nebulyft.com. Check their amazing deals in the description below, happening this month in December, and get up to 35% off. Have a fashion lover on your shopping list this year? Then you need Italist in your life. It is for the high-end designer lover. They sell products 40% off local retail prices because they sell at the Italian price. Even though you can shop them here out of LA and it's shipped to you within days, you can find everything high-end here. I found this beautiful Dolce & Gabbana handbag, and this is about the second one I've got from them, as well as a Burberry belt, Saint Laurent bracelet, and Jimmy Choo boots for only $380, and they're usually $1,000 and above. This Dolce & Gabbana bag I got for under $1,000. It was about $880, regularly about $1,350 normally. So you can get some really great deals on this site. And right now they have an awesome sale going on where you can even get up to 65% off for their Christmas holiday sale. So be sure to shop that too. Also, use my code below and you can enter to win $500 at checkout when you make a purchase. One of my followers won this a couple months ago. So really exciting. You have good chances of winning. So be sure to check out that link as well. You can find all major luxury Italian brands here: Prada, Fendi, Gucci, all of them. And there are pages and pages to shop from. So check them out at italist.com today. Use my code below and enter to win $500 when you shop italist.com today. And start shopping designer 40% off. So really excited to share with you a new ring light. It is the Artograph ring light. It is amazing, you guys. So let's learn all about it. Yay, my Artograph ring light is here. I am so excited to try this out, you guys. I use these religiously, and this one is amazing. It may look like a standard ring light with its 18-inch diameter, tripod carrying case, and two remotes. One remote which changes the color temperature and brightness. The other connects to iOS and Android smartphones to allow for remote use of the phone's camera. But what is different about this ring light that you don't find with others on the market is a combination of premium features that combine to make it powerful tools for artists, photographers, streamers, and influencers like myself. The features include a built-in USB port for smartphone charging, so you can actually charge your phone while you're using it. I've never seen this before. It is amazing. Definitely comes in handy. If you are using the mobile phone clamp to shoot pictures or videos, the battery is low, you can plug it into the USB port to charge it when it's in use. Compartments for the NP-F550 battery packs. The ring light has a wireless option so you can use it outside and away from an electrical source. Also amazing. You can take this ring light anywhere with you go. If you travel into the mountains or else if you want pictures outdoors, you are totally in good hands with this ring light. It is also super easy to set up. Took me less than 5 minutes, so it's easy to take down and travel with you wherever you go that way as well. You can set it up really quickly and you're good to go. It also has a digital screen that I've never found on others that will read the color temperature measurement and brightness percentage. So for those professionals whose projects require a very specific lighting hue, this digital screen on the back will read the exact Kelvin temperature of the light as well as the brightness percentage being emitted. So I really love the Artograph ring light. It has been really wonderful to use, so easy, handy. Great lighting. You get great lighting. I love that you can adjust the color and the temperature easily. And you have the reader on the back to show you the exact number. The remotes also come in handy. Really love that. But my very favorite features are the fact that I can charge my phone while using, because I tend to forget to charge my phone. Who doesn't? And the fact that I have an extended battery pack and I can take this light wherever I go. If I'm outside and want to shoot photos or video, no problem. I got the battery to do this. Super, super handy, and I've never seen that with another ring light. I am so excited about my Artograph ring light. I have loved using it. So be sure to check them out on Amazon, and you can get a 20% off discount with my code 20StyleSpot. Click the link below to shop it on Amazon with my code 20StyleSpot. I will also be giving one away in my giveaway, so enter below. Shop amazing gifts for the beauty lover on your holiday shopping list this year with Vitauthority. You can get the Multi-Collagen, which is an amazing product for youthful, vibrant skin to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, strengthen joints and bones, boost lean muscle mass, support healthy hair and nails, and maintain a healthy gut. It comes in unflavored or yummy flavors like this peach mango, which I really love. It's really great to mix in smoothies, coffee, anything, even your morning water. I don't mind it with the water. The peach mango is fantastic. I've been using these products for about the last year now and have had great results. They also support a healthy weight, which is amazing. So check the link below to see some full reviews that I've done on that. And also their website, which has thousands and thousands of positive reviews. Women love these products. I also got to try their phytoceramides, which is a skin hydration support. It contains hyaluronic acid and is really amazing to hydrating the skin, just like the collagen. I have noticed my skin has been super hydrated using these products. I haven't had to apply lotion nearly as often as I have in the past. Even great hair, thanks to these lovely capsules right here, the Radiant Vitauthority capsules that are vegan friendly, plant-based, great for hair, and you only need 1 capsule a day. The key ingredient is Keranot, has been clinically proven to help support hair growth, volume, and health, and reduce hair shedding. And also uses a new slow-release beadlet technology for enhanced absorption and efficacy of the ingredients. So I've been using these, and they dissolve really quickly. The powder is amazing. If you let it sit for a few minutes, it dissolves completely. I have noticed a difference in my hair. It feels healthier and shinier, and cellulite is also improving as well while using these amazing products from Vitauthority. I noticed a decrease in appetite immediately. The new Firm Skin and Cellulite Smoothing Cream from Vitauthority. It boosts collagen production in the skin to smooth cellulite and moisturize. It has been clinically studied. It shows that 11.7% reduction in appearance of cellulite and 25% reduction in the dimples areas over 28 days. Also a 30% dermis density increase for stronger, more resilient skin. And this was all conducted through ultrasound analysis and with dermatologists. So it is vegan, cruelty-free, dye-free, fragrance-free, and paraben-free as well. It's a revolutionary topical complex I know you're going to love. I've really enjoyed using this. It uses a combination of clinically proven ingredients. It has super antioxidants, reduces oxidative stress, which is what creates the dimples and the cellulite in the first place. It also uses aquoxyl, which is clinically proven to moisturize the skin in 24 hours. So you want to blend it in for 3 to 5 minutes, massage, and you'll get 24-hour moisturization. And check out my amazing 1-month results using this amazing cream. You can check out this amazing bundle at Vitauthority.com. Right now, build a bundle and get 20% off when you buy 3 products. I will also be giving away these amazing products below. Read-On glasses are iconic and multifunctional phone case with super thin foldable reading glasses from Switzerland. Read-On is based on traditional principles of Swiss design for precision, perfection, zeitgeist, and innovation. With 1 in 3 Americans needing reading glasses, Read-On's multifunctional iconic iPhone cases are a perfect fit for contemporary lifestyle. Read-On won a number of prestigious awards, including the German Design Award and the Good Design Award. In recognition of their popularity and versatility, Read-On eyeglasses are now also available without the iPhone case. Customers can purchase a twin pack of reading glasses, 1 black and 1 transparent. There's no longer any need to worry about constantly losing your reading glasses along with your iPhone. They stay with you always and forever, which is amazing because so many reading glasses are lost or damaged each year. Read-On is genius and so handy. You always have your readers always with you because our phones are always with us. I think they are beautifully designed. I really love the iPhone case. It is classic looking. And then having the glasses right there, super handy. They look great too. They are very high quality. They do not scratch coming in and out of the case. It's just super handy to have them, and they look good. They are also very comfortable and lightweight, and you can wear them right at the tip of your nose for good viewing. They come in different lens strengths as well, and they are available currently for iPhone for many different styles. The case is also strong and sturdy, so your glasses are protected even if you accidentally sit on them. I love that Read-On is created by women. That is amazing. This is a genius idea, and they are unisex, perfect for men or women. Pretty amazing product, right? I know you guys are going to love it. You can learn more by checking them out at readon-mobile.com, and you can also pick them up on Amazon, so be sure to do that. I'll leave the link below. You can shop it there. And keep your readers super handy with your iPhone case from Read-On. Quantum Nutrition Labs provides world-class nutrition. They've been in the business for 30 years, and they produce well-known, ultra-pure, effective nutritional products with a wide range of products for all your needs or anyone on your list. They provide optimal nutrition in purity, potency, identity, and more. I got to try out some of their products, including this amazing sleep kit with 2 Vitality Superstars, which includes the Quantum Hemp Extract, which is a high-quality, thoroughly tested hemp extract grown right here in the US, with exceptional benefits that calm the mind, supports a healthy response to inflammation, help eliminate minor aches and pain for restful, amazing sleep. You also get the cultured melatonin drops in this kit, which is the ultimate high-quality formula for deep, restful sleep. Just take a dose right before sleep. You'll fall asleep quickly and stay asleep through the night. I've slept wonderfully while using these products from Quantum Nutrition Labs. I also got to try out their Healthy Foundation Kit, which is like a health essentials kit with organic, non-GMO, high-quality lab-tested ingredients used in precision amounts. You find it in this and all products. This kit includes the Quantum Green Caps. To get your greens, it is a formula with full-spectrum powerhouse of nutrient-dense greens and grasses. You also get the Quantum Plant DHA. This formula is rich in omega-3 fatty acids to promote superior brain, eye, and heart health. Last but not least, you get the Quantum Plant Multivitamin for full body support with immune factors with a comprehensive plant-based blend of vitamins and minerals for high bioavailability. These nutritional supplements and products make amazing gifts for the health and wellness lover on your list. They are ultra clean products. The brand is also very sustainable and ethical. And they also have awesome products like Quantum Hair, Skin, and Nails, which are great for the beauty lover on your list as well. Be sure to check them out today at qnlabs.com and enjoy 25 to 75% off site-wide. Let's get a free product with purchase with my code MYSTYLE. I have recently found Mott and Bow jeans, and they are amazing. This makes a great gift for any man or woman on your shopping list. They sell amazing premium grade jeans at a reasonable price. The quality of these jeans are meant to last a lifetime. They use the finest denim fabrics from the best mills in the world. With a 32-year denim heritage, these jeans are handcrafted, super comfortable, and made with stretchy, breathable fabric you can wear all day long. The fit is stunning. They also have t-shirts and sweaters, like the sweatshirt I have here, and some other great products you can buy as well. Mott & Bow has been featured in tons of major magazines, and when you check out their website, they have tons of 5-star reviews. So here I'm wearing some Mott & Bow bestsellers, the Mom Oliver jeans in dark blue. This is a heavier fabric, but super comfy to wear, as well as the Marcy long sleeve crew tee in heather gray, which is super soft. It is fitted, lightweight, and pre-shrunk. And here I'm wearing the Mom Allen jeans in gray. It is a mid-weight jean, looks original and worn in, which I love. And I'm also wearing the French Terry sweatshirt Surf in black. This is a super comfy, super soft, lightweight, casual but elevated sweatshirt. Shop mottandbow.com today and get 10% off your order with MyStyleSpot10. So there you have it. I hope you find everything you need on your list for everyone you're shopping for this holiday season. These products are amazing. I know you're gonna love them. So to enter the giveaway, just subscribe to my channel, click the red button below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below which product is your favorite. And you'll get to enter to win the amazing light ring stand, as well as the amazing skin and hair products from Vitauthority. So be sure to enter below, share with your friends. Be sure to subscribe for free weekly awesome content, and I appreciate you guys following. I hope you have a happy holiday and happy new year as well, and I will see you back in January.